Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the update on Alchemy. Recently on the daily time frame chart, Alchemy broke out this descending triangle, and after the breakout we had a nice pump, and for a while we also broke out this very long-term down trend line resistance as well. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this down trend line resistance is coming from the month of November, and not November, January 2022. Got rejection here, and we got rejection here, another rejection here, and here on the 7 days time frame chart you can see that we just had a long spike beyond this downtrend and resistance but could not break it out. And once again here in the third week of Feb 2025 we are again rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And in today's video we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show this previous breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. If you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Fala, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal for Fala I shared on 15th of January 2025 in my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target. This was a very massive rally, madam. Now let's move to the live chart of Alchemy. And here you can see that recently we broke out this descending triangle, and after breakout, had a very, very powerful pump, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 5 cents has been previously breaking at the resistance here, and almost at the resistance here as well. This is the key resistance from where we got rejection. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price and also could not break out this long-term downtrend and resistance well that is coming from the month of January 2022. You can see that got rejection here, two more rejections here, another rejection here, and these are the three more rejections, one, two, and three. And the pricing is now moving towards the next long-term support line here. That starts from 2 cents and goes to 1.77 cents. But if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, and if I place another trend line here at the recent point where from where the pricing is bounced here, approximately at 2.68 cents, then you can see that recently this level has been working as a resistance here for several days. And this point of rejection is now working as support. Like here, it was also working as a resistance as well. And now the pricing has bounced very well from the support. This is the short-term support. If the pricing breaks it down, then we can test this long-term support line. That starts from 2 cents and goes to 1.77 cents. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. By the way, you can see that it is forming different bullish bias patterns and breaking them out. It broke out this falling wedge pattern, then broke out another wedge, and this was a smaller wedge, and then broke out another wedge, and then we had another very nice pump. But so far, the pricing could not hit the target for the breakout from this previous long-term and huge falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target is, by the way, here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.